Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful crochet headband. This headband is beautiful and so simple. Only crochet 2 pieces with half double crochet. So fast crocheting. Actually you can make a pair in a day. So beautiful. If you want to make it big, you need to use a little thick yarns and big hooks. Okay, don't forget that. It's so simple. I give all the details. I don't use any hair clips here. I join them with stitches, and it's not so thick and not looking bad. You can see that. I hope you will try that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and your watching. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful, so simple crochet headband. Let's start to crochet. I will use my headband size 4 yarn, and look at that, and I use 4mm hook. Okay, first of all, make a slip knot. Then make 103 chains. Not make so tight your chains. Okay, not so loosey. Make usual chains. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And it's equal to nearly 61 centimeter. Okay, now yarn over, skip this very first and second, insert into this third stitch, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together and make half double, yarn over, insert into the next, grab your yarn, pull through 3 of them, make half double. Like that, you will keep crocheting a half double crochet in every each stitch. At the end of this first row, you will have 101 half double crochet. I complete and turn to you. I complete my half double crochets, and after this half double crochet row, you will have at the end nearly 60 centimeter. Okay, now after that 3 rows, you will make a same as stitches, chain 2 and not count, turn your work, yarn over, start from this very first, only use back loop, grab your yarn and make half double. Make half double crochet in every each back loop. Okay, 3 more rows like that, so totally you will have 4 rows with half double, only using back loop. When you complete that, I will turn and tell how you can keep crocheting. Okay, I completed totally 4 rows, 3 more rows I crocheted with half double in back loop. After I will turn to you. I complete 4 rows. Now we will make these little spaces. Okay, chain 2 and turn your work again, yarn over, start from the very first, insert the back loop, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 half double crochet only using back loop. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the 6th back loop, grab your yarn, again keep crocheting 18 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the 6th one, and again as same as 18 half double, then chain 5, skip 5, insert into the 6th one. I will complete it, come to end and turn to you. I complete, I have 4 spaces and left here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 half double crochet. We start 18 half double crochet, 5 chains, 18, 5 chains, 18, 5, 18, 5 and left here 9 half double. Okay, don't forget. Chain 2 and turn your work and do the same thing. Start from the very first, only back loop, make half double crochet in every each stitch. When you come to chains, make usual half double crochet on them. At the end of this row, again you will have 101 half double crochet. After this row, I will crochet 3 more rows, totally 4 rows I crocheted. I finish and turn to you. I crocheted 1 more piece. Okay, I have 2 pieces of this. Now I will put this side, is this first pieces of 18 stitches is here, starting point, and take my 9 stitches, put on it like that. Then take this first piece, insert that into the second piece, first space, like that. Then take this second piece, here I have second space, insert that first piece's space here, like that. Then again take it to next space, insert that. Again take this. You will always put the upsides piece, insert the downsides, the second piece here. Here next space I insert that, take it to next space here, take it to the next space. You will then take it to the last space, and we will join the sides together. It looks gorgeous. You will turn it we will join them together. Also, you can put here a hair like hair clips, but I want to join them with stitches. Okay, make slip knot. Insert the first space. Here, the next one, I insert that. Take the 4 loops together here. Take my yarn and make slip stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take the yarn, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, slip stitch. Also, you can sew it 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1 and lock it, then cut the yarn, hide this tail, turn to this side. Also, we can hide them too. I will hide it later. I want to show you. It looks beautiful. Look at that. This is joining part and not so thick here. This is gorgeous. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple. Only 2 pieces you crochet, only using half double crochet, and make it. That's so simple and so beautiful. I hope you will try. I give all the details, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And also, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.